Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language on your CapCut app. So go to menu and select settings, and you're just going to select language, and you can choose from these languages. For instance, Bahasa Indonesia, select that language and then select save. Then select restart, and it's going to restart CapCut for you. Just going to wait for it to load. It does take a few seconds to do so, and when you open it, as you can see, it is now in Indonesian. But yeah, that is basically it. Like, look at the text here. It's in Indonesian. If you want to change it back, just go to menu again, go to settings and language, and then English, and then press save and restart. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.